Good morning, Mr. Hotsawood, my dearest teacher, lecturer for us, and my dear friend also, Mrs. Sasrawani. In this occasion, I would like to present about doing presentation about. I have Mr. Hotsawood has 5 questions that I need to answer that, and the first one is what is the main goal of marketing? The main goal of marketing is to promote products or services to attract customers and boost sales. So basically getting the word out there so people buy what you are offering. And the second one is what is the main focus of public relation? PR or public relations focuses on building a positive image for a company or person through media and relationships, not just selling, but managing reputation. And the third one, why is MPR great for language services? The answer is MPR, which is marketing public relations, is great for a language service because it combines promo with trust building, like sharing stories of successful of translating to show expertise without hard selling. And number four, what is price commoditation? Price commoditation means treating something like a basic commodity where only the cheapest price matters, ignoring quality like cheap knock-off translation that undervalue real skills. And the last one, how do we counter the Google Translate is enough myth? Okay, to counter the Google Translate is enough myth, explain how it misses cultural nuances and accuracy. For example, in business docs, it can cause big misunderstanding, while Pro ensures precise, localized results that save time and avoid errors. I think that's all my answer for that 5 question. If there any mistake, I do really sorry, sir, but I open for your feedback. Thank you so much. Have a great day.